In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize tables in Google Slides. If you've ever wanted to add structured information to your presentations but weren't quite sure how to do it, this guide is just for you. We're going to explore a method that's not only simple but also highly customizable to fit the aesthetic and functional needs of your presentation. To get started, the first thing you need to do is go to Google Slides. If you haven't used it before, you can find it easily online. Simply search for Google Slides in your web browser. Once you're there, the next step is to sign into your Google account. This is crucial because it not only allows you to create new presentations, but also ensures that your work is saved automatically, giving you the peace of mind that you won't lose any of your hard work. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Google Slides homepage. This is your launchpad for creating fantastic presentations. Here you can choose between starting a new blank presentation or selecting from various templates that Google provides. Templates can be a great starting point if you're looking to save time and still want your presentation to look polished. For this demonstration, let's kick things off with a blank presentation. With your new slide open, your attention will now shift to the main menu at the top of the screen. Click on the Insert tab. This is your gateway to adding different elements to your slides, including images, shapes, charts, and what we're focusing on today, tables. Now, go ahead and select the table option from the drop-down menu. This will prompt a grid to appear, allowing you to choose the dimensions of the table you'd like to insert. You'll notice you're not limited to a specific number of rows or columns, so tailor it to fit the information you plan on presenting. With your table inserted, you're in full control. You can adjust the size by clicking and dragging the edges of the table, ensuring it fits neatly within your slide. Beyond resizing, Google Slides offers an array of customization options. You can change the background color of the cells, adjust border widths and colors, and modify text alignment to enhance readability and visual appeal. Take some time to explore these features and see what works best for your presentation. As you make these changes, keep an eye on how they influence the overall look of your slide, balancing visual engagement with information clarity. And there you have it, your basic guide to creating and customizing tables in Google Slides. With practice, you'll find that tables can significantly enhance your presentations by structuring your information in a clear and visually pleasing way. Thanks for following along and happy presenting.